That's right. We've made it to 5:40 in the morning. Oh man, it's so dark. Oh. The toolbox is not out. Welcome back to the channel. But what is out? My luggage. Different style toolbox. Of course we're taking the Mercury to the airport. It's the perfect shuttle car. Hey, Dad. Anywho, we're gonna take off. Welcome to Monday morning. Destination is that place. And that place is Newark Airport. That could have been me. Where is he? Anyways, he's up there. I wonder if I'll see any panthers. I was in Mexico a week ago, and there were Crown Vics and Grand Marquis everywhere. We went to Matamoros, right across the border from Brownsville, Texas. I didn't have my camera there, but man, they were everywhere. Anyway, we're pulling into Newark Airport. Oh, jeez. Well, on the better note, we're averaging 19.2 miles per gallon on the way here. We're here at the airport. Pop the trunk. I shouldn't care about this right now, but yeah, it is. Thanks, Dan. See ya. Anyways, I'm gonna check in. Got through security. Man, what a beauty. Sunrise on a Monday morning. I don't know if you can see it in the distance right there. That is New York City. That's the Freedom Tower, Manhattan. Got the Jersey docks over here. We have landed. 6-hour flight. Got about a 2-hour layover here. Welcome to LAX, Los Angeles, which is international flight. Probably that one. Out of this country. And still walking. I'll tell you. 12 hours. 12, 13-hour flight is what's ahead of me. This is nice. Fun fact, I actually lived in LA for about 8 years in Southern California, but I remember being to this part of the airport. Sheesh. It's like in Dubai or something. But anyways, I'm gonna keep looking for my terminal because it's becoming a challenge. Here you have it. Some nice airport. Look at that. Look at that Starbucks over there. That is cool. Anyways, I'll show you the departure board. Maybe you can guess where I'm going before you see the destination in this video.
A few moments later.
5 more hours of flight. Okay, made it. Just got off the plane. This is where we are. That's right. We've made it to Japan. Ladies and gents, we are in Tokyo. I will be here for about a week. I'll try to get car stuff. I'm here for a church trip missions, but I'm also a car guy. Huh?
You streaming?
Just recording.
60 cameras.
Oh, nice. How's that working out?
You said, how's it working out? I love it, man.
Made it. This is the Shibuya crossing. So this is the busiest intersection here, and this is where Tokyo Drift was. Better go. There it is. The Shibuya Cross. Anyways, I'm gonna go find my friend who I'm here to meet.
Some are really.
Nice. And then it comes from out of there. Hello. Yes. Very nice. Onion, mayo, and salmon. Anyways, I'm gonna get to eating. So this is the equivalent to the Crown Vic here. It's their workhorse of a car. Okay, let me turn this on.